welcome to my channel. So I recently popped into my local B&M to check out their latest autumnal collection, Harvest Home. In today's video, join me as I share some of the items that caught my eye. Starting off today's video are these pumpkin shaped bowls. Of course you can use them for their main function, but also as a display piece on a table, for example. You could pop some pine cones inside or autumnal themed papyri. Here's an image from the White Company staging their display scalloped bowl, so you can get an idea on what I mean. This pumpkin lamp could be swapped out with an existing lamp in your home to give that autumnal touch. Styling this lamp on a kitchen counter with other autumnal themed pieces will give that warm, cosy touch whilst elevating those simple corners. If you are lacking space for larger decorative items, this candle could be placed somewhere without taking up too much room. This acorn candle, once fully burned, can be reused as a decorative container and is also a cheaper alternative to companies such as Anthropologie's. Wreaths don't always have to be for Christmas. Decorating your front door for fall adds an element of warmth and added interest to a space that usually you'd just walk past without taking notice. B&M have this pumpkin season cushion or a plain one for a subtler nod to the season. Swapping everyday items such as cushions in your home to match the current season could make all the difference, even if it's just the colour palette changing. Everything about this candle made me smile, from the colours, cinnamon scent, rustic wooden charm and recipe to bake your own cinnamon swirls. There were two other candle options, a green theme for baked apples and a pumpkin pie candle in the colour orange. When it comes to mugs, I like mine looking as if they've just walked out from the pottery shop. From the uneven surface or glaze, the quirkier the better. B&M have some lovely neutral looking ones at the minute, and if you don't fancy an obvious autumnal mug such as a pumpkin or the word autumn directly printed on it, then head to the normal kitchen section and grab yourself one of these.